This is a super easy, super delicious recipe for spicy green bean stir fry. So I'm going to put some green beans into boiling water. So a lot of people don't like to boil at first, but they're fairly tough. So if you dry fry, you don't need to put in boiling water. It just takes longer. So just let the green beans boil for 5 to 10 minutes. So preheat the wok at medium to medium-high heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Hey, camera. So we're going to put some put maybe 2-3 tablespoons of sliced ginger. I like to keep the slices large, just like in Hoi Ping China. In it. Okay. So next we're going to put these red chilies in there. Put about half a dozen. If you want to cut the chilies, it'll make it hotter. But if you leave them uncut, it's less heat. So we'll put the green beans in. So put about a teaspoon of salt in there. So put about a tablespoon of light soy sauce. This is a regular soy sauce. So there's salt in the soy sauce as well. Put a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we're going to put some black bean sauce in there. So we're going to put a teaspoon to a tablespoon. So put a teaspoon of this black bean sauce. So these sauces and condiments you can buy on my online store under the Chinese cooking guide in the description below this video. There you have it. Stir-fried green beans with chili and black bean sauce. Enjoy. Homemade. So nice flavor from the chili, from the whole chilies. You can also use the chopped up chilies, or else you can use the the ones that are a little hotter, the seeds. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.